Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download good quality video from Capcut. So first, open your Capcut and then select the video that you want to export with the 4K quality. Here I have actually edited a video or saved a video in here. And then what you need to do is on the upper right part of your screen, you'll see 1080p with a drop down option. Tap on that. And then you can adjust the resolution of your video. So let's max it up to 4K on resolution. You can adjust the frame rate in here, but in my case, I'm not going to adjust it. And just to make sure that you have a HDR video or much clearer video, then you can enable the Smart HDR. Once you're done with that, you can tap or you can start exporting your video with 4K quality by tapping on the arrow pointing up on the upper right part of your screen. And that's how to get good quality video from Capcut. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.